Hola, Silvia. Feliz Navidad.
Mommy,
Good. How are
Mommy's
you?
11 o'clock.
No, it's 9 o'clock.
Yes, it is.
Oh,
Look at
yes. You having fun today, Tom Christian? Oh, yes.
Oh, that's so nice. Is that you?
Yeah, we have no pictures. Yeah.
Well, not in Hawaii right now. Well, yeah, we're actually in Hawaii.
Okay. What's up, yeah?
You too, Sylvia. Merry Christmas. Okay. Oh.
Okay, Dina. You're going shopping to the outlet mall.
You figured out your own.
Oh, no. No.
Yeah, because I really want to go to the outlet mall after
We'll
Christmas.
go.
We can clean up. Oh yeah. I can't even get this one to work.
Thank you.
Rusty.
Right,
That's
Dee?
why you kept pushing me out.
That is big.
That's finally a nice smile.
Uh-huh.
Baby, it's you. So I can always remember how innocent you look sometimes. Aw.
And how handsome you
And
are.
how gorgeous my baby is.
Everybody else?
Can you help me open my shrimp?
I'm not sure she's doing this.
Hello? Ah, okay, Silvia. Okay. Bueno, Silvia. Entonces nos hablamos. Bye bye. Merry Christmas. Okay, Drew and Didi.
That's from
I can't
Lydia.
open it that much.
I said that's from Lydia.
That's from Lydia?
Uh-huh.
Daddy, Mommy, can you open it?
Okay, give me just a second, buddy. Let's see Didi and Drew open their gift first, okay? Hold on. It's okay. Hold on, babe.
Card.
She got a Spanish-English dictionary for students who learn Spanish. So our kids can...
Good.
Mommy,
She kept telling me when I came to her
Okay,
house,
hold
she's like,
on,
I
baby.
gotta get you a dictionary so you and Drew can speak Spanish together because your kids need it. Your kids are gonna have to speak Spanish. And I was like, okay, we're gonna speak Spanish together. That's so sweet. Having a little holiday
and Mommy, it has
joy
tape on it.
into your heart. Hoping you know that you're in my heart, my thoughts always. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
Mommy, look what it has on it.
Hold on, buddy.
Hold on, buddy.
Y un feliz matrimonio, que te amo y felices. Los queridos.
She's crying.
She said, I hope you have a happy marriage, and that you're very happy. And I love you both.
What's in there?
Hey!
For what?
How much?
Mommy,
Woo! We're going
I
shopping.
can't open it.
That's right.
Okay, Maria Camila.
Can you help Trisha open? Hold on.
Ooh, buddy, this is gonna take some time, okay?
Yeah,
Just
we're
hold
gonna
on.
have to set that to the
But
side.
don't break the boxes open, so we gotta keep the instructions with them, okay?
Accidente. There we go.
Mommy, can I have a cup of apple
¿Qué es?
juice?
Yes, sweetheart. Hold on just a second. Didi, can you finish recording this, please?
Está bien, súper bien. Es más, se la va a subir a poner en el momento.
I'm right here. I'm right here.
El diccionario.
I just want to go over there and say hi. Say thank you to her.
See, I'm right here.
What's that?
I'm right here.
Okay, Christian, I see you. I see you. You're here.
I'm gonna get some apple juice.
Really? Is this close enough?
Record the shirt.
Oh.
Ooh, that's cute. Oh, such a pretty
That's a nice
shirt.
shirt.
Color todo.
Okay, now this is for
Aww. Finally,
boy. Jeez, get him away from me.
Divorcio.
Hey, that word is not allowed in Spanish. Isn't it divorcio? I know. The second word he looks up. La segunda palabra que.
Divorcio.
Look at the same thing.
I love
Hey, baby,
you.
here's your juice, okay?
Oh, that's taped up. Hold on. Let me help you with that. Whoa! Look at the suit.
Oh no, Christian! Hey, look at that!
Oh, nice.
Oh,
You're for a party, buddy.
qué
You got a cool
lindo!
suit.
Uh-oh.
It looks so
Everybody
handsome.
suit.
Let me see, baby. Look. Oh, wait. Hold it to you. Oh, it looks so cute. Say thank you, Santa.
Thank you, Santa.
Oh my goodness, this is too
It's
adorable.
very pretty.
Okay, to Christian.
For this
Oh,
apple.
put that drink up there. This is to you from Grandma.
Yeah, when he's bad, you can wear the pinstripe.
Oh, most of those are something.
That is exactly, that's what it looks like. Little gangster. Oh, that is such a cute outfit.
Oh!
What's that?
Evil Knievel.
Oh, Grandma Sylvia always gives the best gifts. Let me see. All right.
María Camila.
Oh, beautiful.
I just can't open it.
She has all her Christmas colors.
I can't open it.
Baby, don't worry about opening it right now. Just open it in a present.
She does look.
That's such a cute shirt. I didn't open my stocking.
Christian. Christian. This is to you from Grandma.
Whoa.
Baby, did you get apples too? And oranges?
Look!
Whoa!
See? What is it, buddy? Wow, cool. That's a tumbler. That's a remote control car.
Hand. Hand is bread.
Fun.
Almost in there.
And fun.
This is hand.
No, it says fun.
Hand.
Okay,
And
this
fun.
is for Dina.
If you're gonna speak the language, you might as well say it right.
Hand.
And fun.
Oh, thanks from my sister. All of this.
Amali?
Oh, Mary, yeah.
Where's Tostado?
Tostada?
Wow, they got this in there. Really nice.
Tostado.
Drew's over here learning Spanish.
Divorcio Tostado.
Oh, there we go.
Alright.
I did it!
Whoa.
Hi.
Wow. Look at that. Woohoo.
Okay, so this from Auntie Mally.
What's this?
Christian, watch out for Brandy.
What's this?
Christian. Brandy's like, you don't get
Estamos
away.
con la hermana de Alemania. Sí,
What's that, Mommy?
It's a jewelry stand.
Oh, Christian, watch out, baby.
colgar la-
Christian, watch out.
Los anillos y las joyas.
Look at that. Oh my gosh. That's
Oh
for
my
necklaces.
goodness.
This is for rings. That is so cute.
Oh, I am taking this home. Oh, this is beautiful.
Does that fit?
Es para anhelos. Anillo. ¿Cómo se llama? Sí.
Este es para los anillos.
Oh, anillos. Para los anillos.
Se van a poner ahí.
Para poner
El
aquí.
otro es como para los
Yes,
collares.
anillos. Oh my God, this is beautiful.
So pretty.
Oh my gosh. I'm gonna take this home. I have the jewelry to go with it now from you and from Mommy and Carb. Look at this bling bling.
Oh, cool. Mixed nuts. These are going right on the table.
Look how full it is.
Okay, Christian.
Oh my gosh.
Isn't that cute? Too.
So I gotta call her and ask her where she got it from. I gotta send her some money so she can send me the same thing because that's gorgeous. What's that, baby? Oh, we're gonna be playing so many games before I leave. Turn it over. Turn it over. It's trouble. Turn it over, baby. Turn it over. Turn it over. Flip it this way. Trouble. All right.
Very nice.
It fits you.
Yeah, it really
Out
does.
of trouble.
Hey, can somebody take the video camera? I gotta take pictures.
Okay, this is to Christian from Aunt Mandy, I think.
Yes. Look, it's like an ice cream cone.
I know that one.
Yeah.
Open it carefully, buddy.
All right. Well, this is gonna be here.
Let me open this like this.
Hold on, is it on? Okay.
Hold on. Open it like this. Pull it apart. Now open the top and look in. It's wrapped really good.
Look at
Crayons
that.
and markers. Look at that.
Wow, that's
bunch of markers,
beautiful.
That's awesome, buddy.
She
here,
wrapped
buddy.
that really nice.
Let me get the sticker. Let's put it in here so it doesn't break up.
Look at that. And he
Look at the camera. Say
loves
thank you, Aunt Mally.
stickers.
Thank you, Aunt Mally.
Look at
Look
the
up there.
camera.
Thank
Thank
you,
you,
Aunt
Aunt Mally.
Cool.
We're gonna be coloring today.
Let's put this here. Hold on. We'll put this up here.
How do you open this?
Hold
And
on.
then this is to me from Aunt Mally.
Yeah, isn't it?
Wacky websites. It's a calendar.
Ah,
Wacky websites. That's cool. Thank you, Mally.
thank you, Mally. We love you.
That's cool.
Mommy, look, he has a jetpack.
That's everything.
Bulkhead.
But Daddy, what
That's
are
it, right?
Hey, that's it for everybody. Merry Christmas.
Merry
those?
Woo!
That's for,